Assalamu alaikum. I am Deep Kumar Devnath. My father name is Sushil Chandra Devnath and my mother name is Sundar Devnath. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. Now I am doing my Bachelor of Business Administration at Daffodil International University. I am a dedicated and goal-oriented business student with strong passion for organizational growth and professional excellence. In terms of my academic background, I have completed my SSC from Shruti Victory Memorial Pilot High School and which is in Dhaka Division, and SHG from Gopalpur Government College which is in Dhaka Division. Now focus on building strong foundation in business and management. During my journey at Daffodil International University, I have developed a solid understanding in business disciplines including accounting, economics, management, and marketing. My coursework has developed my analytical skill, thinking skill, and decision making skills, which I believe are essential in today's competitive business world. Experience working with tools like Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint for business reporting and data analysis, as well as good communication skill. My academic project, I have conducted market research, prepare business plan, and analyze real case of develop practical business idea. I will describe myself as a disciplined, detail-oriented, and strong team worker. I enjoy working with others that give me more information which is unknown to me. I am also a open-minded person who always want to learn and gain knowledge. Apart from academics, I am continuously working on improving my leadership, communication skills, thinking skills to prepare myself for the competitive business world. We know that in competitive business world, communication skill is very important. I have actively participated in group presentation, individual presentation, and extracurricular activities, which have helped me improve my confidence and practical knowledge. My career goal is to build a successful future in the field of accounting, where I can apply my knowledge. My career goal is to contributing meaningfully to a organization where I can apply my business knowledge, grow professionally. That's all for today. This is my video resume. Thank you.